In a silent jungle, time appears to have stopped. Hidden beneath dust, soil, and forgotten memories, the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 stands alone, half-buried, surrounded by trees and drifting wind. Once a symbol of innovation and speed, the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 has been left to fade into nature. As the wind moves through the forest, fine dust rises from the body of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955. The silver paint is dull, the chrome is rusted, and the iconic Gullwing doors are frozen in place. Every mark on the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 tells a story of time, neglect, and silence. Slowly, the restoration begins. Mud is brushed away from the hood of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955, falling gently to the ground. With each careful movement, more of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 is revealed. The sound of brushing, soil dropping, and wind through the trees creates a calm ASMR rhythm. Inside the cabin, the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 shows its age. The leather seats are torn, the dashboard is covered in dust, and cobwebs fill the corners. Gentle air removes years of dirt from the interior of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955, allowing light to enter once again. The engine bay of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 is lifted open slowly. Rust, oil stains, and decay cover the mechanical heart of this legend. Brushes move carefully across metal parts, removing dust and corrosion from the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 piece by piece. Water flows softly as the engine bay of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 is gently washed. Mud disappears, and metal surfaces begin to breathe again. Each drop of water brings the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 closer to revival. Attention turns to the body. Rust is sanded away from the panels of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955. Dents are smooth, and imperfections slowly vanish. Polishing begins, and for the first time in years, reflections appear on the silver paint of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955. The chrome trim of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 is polished by hand. Trees and sky reflect clearly on the restored metal, reminding us of the elegance this car once represented. Inside, the seats return, the dashboard shines, and the cabin of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 feels alive again. Now comes the defining moment. Both gullwing doors of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 rise slowly and smoothly, just as they were designed decades ago. Sunlight fills the interior, highlighting the craftsmanship and history of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955. The key turns. After a brief pause, the engine of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 comes to life. A deep, classic sound echoes through the jungle, breaking years of silence. The Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 is no longer forgotten. In the final moments, the fully restored Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 rolls forward, leaving the jungle behind. Dust rises softly as this legendary machine drives away, restored not just in metal, but in spirit. From abandonment to rebirth, this is the journey of the Silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955.